Mia, the German Shepherd, has been waiting 30 days for her owner to get back from vacation. Now that they're reunited in the Atlanta airport, the Shepherd finds 10 ways to say, "I miss you." This dog owner is back home in Spain after visiting 9 countries in 11 days. And who missed him most? His 4.5-year-old twin Jack Russells, Archie and Bella. And here's Miss May. Her human has been on a long military deployment in Africa. The doggie watches the escalator in anticipation of her treat. Miss May was just a pup when Army soldier Cassandra Cabrera left home 10 months ago.